Hey friends, welcome back to CT Academy. Smart strategies to solve AI ethical challenges. Today we're looking at some smart ways to handle the tricky ethical problems that come with AI. AI is super powerful, but if we don't watch out, it can be unfair, confusing, or even harmful. So let's see how we can make AI work better and fairer for everyone. 1. Dealing with bias. Bias means AI might treat some people unfairly, maybe because it learned from data that's not diverse. To fix this, we use data from lots of different groups of people, design algorithms that focus on fairness, and regularly check the AI for any bias. Imagine training a photo app that works well for all skin tones, not just one. That's how we keep AI fair. 2. Openness. Sharing is caring, even in AI. By sharing research, methods, and results openly with others, developers can get feedback and improve their AI. This teamwork helps catch mistakes early and makes AI better for everyone. Think of it like a group project where everyone shares their best ideas. 3. Transparency. People should know how AI works and what data it uses. That means writing down and explaining the process in simple terms, so anyone involved can understand. For example, if an AI decides who gets a loan, the bank should clearly show how it made that choice. No secrets. 4. Trustworthiness. Trust is everything. Following strong ethical rules, testing AI carefully, and having clear accountability helps build that trust. It's like having safety checks before a roller coaster ride. Everyone wants to be sure it's safe before jumping on. 5. Explainability. AI can be complicated, but it shouldn't feel like magic. Using simple models and tools that explain AI decisions helps people understand what's happening. For example, if an AI recommends a movie, it could explain why, like, because you watched similar films. This makes AI more friendly and reliable. So by using these strategies, fairness, openness, transparency, trust, and clear explanations, we can create AI that's not just smart, but also ethical and trustworthy. Want to learn more? Visit ctglobal.my. Until next time, build smart, build fair, and keep ethics front and center.